Kung gusto mo talaga ng malaking buhay, kasi ito happy ka lang, grateful ka lang, fulfilled ka, pero pwede ka maging broke. Pero siyempre ayaw ko nun. Gusto ko rin ng malaking buhay, malaking pera, intensity. Intense ako in terms with learning. Can you imagine, Eman, today, I just studied 2 hours. 2 hours. And that's like every day. That's how intense I can. Why? Kaya hindi ako natatakot at hindi ako naghabol ng pera kasi yung value ko bilang tao, napakataas. Why? Irreplaceable. How can you be irreplaceable? Number 1, knowledge. Kaya certain ako kasi grabe ang knowledge ko. Sobrang advanced. At hindi ako tumitigil. Hindi titigil ang pera kakapasok sa akin kasi grabe ang knowledge ko. People pays for knowledge. Not time. Kung gusto mo lang time, di 8 to 5 ka, di minimum wage ka. Pero pag mataas ang knowledge mo, mataas din ang sigilan mo. But I don't have just knowledge. I have a lot of skills. Nag-aral ako ng yoga kasi nung pandemic, walang negosyo. Anong pwedeng gawin? O yoga. So, ang dami kong skills, nakakayanan. Experience. Grabe, ang varied ng experience ko. Kahit saan mo kaitapon, anong pwede kong gawin sa buhay. Sobra kong na-master yung buhay kasi nga open na open ako. In fact, once a week, I find brand new experiences. Nadagdagan na naman yung portfolio ko around it. So, it may not be directly around money, but shucks, ang dami kong experience na pagkasama kita, hindi ako mauubusan. But above all, ang taas ng leadership ko. That's why I'm taking care of 30 companies already, but without me being there because naging leadership factory ako. And that's where my intensity comes in. With my growth, my experience, my skills, my leadership. Very intense. Growing it no matter what.